Hands-on demonstration on summary statistics. Median with odd number of observation.
Let us now move on sa fifth na worksheet natin, which is the median with odd number of observations. Okay, so we now have here table number 2, total receipts of selected government agencies in million pesos for the year 2022. Ayan. So meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 government agencies. And ito yung kanyang receipts for each of the government agency. Okay? So let us now compute for the median. As you can see, same instructions with the mean. Let's type in equal median, then highlight our data, click enter, and we now have a median of 7.2. Naalala po ba natin yung definition ng median sa ating lecture? Okay? True. So, siya yung middle value ng ating sorted observations. Okay? So, first, you have sort your median. Kung manual nyo pong gustong computein ng inyong median, sort the value or sort your data. Then, kung ano yung middle value natin, okay? For example, here, we have an add na observations. Kung ano po yung pinakagitnang observation ninyo, yun yung magiging median natin. Okay? And as computed by Excel, and if you look at sa middle natin, ng observations natin, sorted naman na, so 7.2. Okay? So median is true to its name na middle value siya ng sort observation. So let's now interpret our median. Palabasin po ulit natin interpretation. Click lang natin si cell B. Actually, naka-merge na siya. Then, yan. So, change lang natin yung font color to automatic or black. So, we now have this interpretation. So, 50% of the 7 government agencies have total receipts less than 7.2 million pesos. So, don't forget, in million pesos po ito. Okay? And then, we could also say the complement of this interpretation, which is 50% of the 7 government agencies have total receipts greater than 7.2 million pesos. Okay? So, depende kung ano yung gusto nyong i-highlight sa ating interpretation. Kung gusto nyo ba less than or greater than nung ating median. Since again, hinahati yan ang ating observations into 2 equal parts. Okay? So, another definition yun yesterday sa ating lecture. So, our median divides our observations, our sorted observations into 2 equal parts. So, pwede natin sabihin na less than 7.2 million pesos or greater than 7.2 million pesos.